Dr. Eddie. Eddie is at the supermarket. An elegant woman starts talking to Eddie.
Hello?
Oh, hello.
Are you a doctor?
What? Me? Yes, I am a doctor.
Good.
Eddie is not a doctor.
I have a lot of money. I live in a big house. I have expensive, pants.
Okay, but a man needs a doctor now.
What? Where is the man?
He is near the milk. Please help the man. He is very sick.
Uh-oh.
Eddie sees a woman. He runs and talks to her.
Hello, are you a doctor? I need help.
Now. House. Sick. Milk. Near.